think about this. Life is long, and thank God, and it's really long enough for us to start, especially if you have a consistent spiritual practice, to really be able to tease out, oh, this is my soul purpose. This is my human story. This is the avatar of my human story. This is don't get too hung up on those little things. And I mean that really kindly. I'm not trying to poo-poo it. I know it's fascinating, and we're like, "Whoa, where's my design crystal been?" Maybe I was Joan of Arc, but maybe not. Hopefully not, because that didn't have a good ending to that story. But the just I would just let the natural trajectory of your life unfold and get better and better and better at consciously choosing your response to what shows up. Here's the thing. This is the thing I think is the most important about the design crystal. And you may or may not like this. I believe that part of why there are so many people on the planet right now is because these design crystals are holding a lot of programming that we need to wipe off the planet. The programming for racism is in there. The programming for values based on God knows what. I mean, the way we value human life is really kind of needing some reform. The relationships that we have with each other, the relationships we have with money and wealth and abundance and sustainability, all of that's programmed into those design crystals. And I think we're here to clear this stuff, because when we pass and that goes back into the earth, it actually has the capacity to really shift the collective consciousness of the planet. So